Hello and welcome to this build video for the PDP Power Distribution Panel. So this is just a very simple panel that you will use in conjunction with a POW or with more PDPs to distribute powers in between modular rows. If you don't have a backboard doing that, you can do this on the front. I will put this in the rack in a bit and show you. So this will probably one of my shortest build videos. So you have three 16-pin headers. That's the important thing. There are three 100 nanofarad capacitors. You don't need those. It's for filtering. I just added those as a small thing. It's not needed at all. But yeah, if you want, you can add them if you like. And then just to put it all together, some screws. So basically it is two IDC connectors on the front and one on the back, as I said. So you see on the silk screen here, you have a small indentation. That is the small indentation there. So we line those up like so and like so. And then we solder these in place. And the only thing we need to be careful about here is that we don't connect the rows with each other. We will do a small test afterwards, just check so there is no short between plus 12 volts ground, minus 12 volts and 5 volts. And then we move to those here. I was thinking if I should make a build video or not, and then I ended up doing one because it's better to have one too many than one too few, because there's always someone who wonders something. And see there, I made a bridge. I don't know if you can see that. Those are the dangerous ones. So this actually connects 12 volts with 5 volts. So you just pull quickly like so and it loosens. Now these two rows are connected to each other, which is not that bad, but let's try to keep it clean. There we go. And then we do the same on this side. The indentation here, the indentation on the silk screen. You also see there's a small arrow there. And if you look at this in the correct light, you will see a small arrow there. So those also should line up. Make sure you get them to get stuck, all of them. That one, there's a bridge. Could also do that. I'm doing lots of bridges today. Ow! And burning myself. There we go. So, and since I have these, I might as well just put these in place. should be quite simple. Come there, bend the legs to keep them in place. And solder. I'm just putting it on the mat and it wobbles around a bit, so that's why I don't get good adhesion on these. There. Now we can put the iron away. Don't need that smoke anymore. Off here. And then these you just push them in like so and so, and then we put this over there, add the screws. And this one is done. So this is what it looks like. Let's put it in the rack so you can see how you connect this with your power system. So I have a bunch, or I have one PDP here. Down here is the POW that is with the big power supply behind, that is then going into this power panel and then distributes up to this POW, which is not connected to any power. So if I pull this, we lose power there. And I want to go all the way up here because this row doesn't have any power now. So we will remove this one. So there's a power supply in there, but we are not gonna use that. So instead we take this one, and we already have, so the power supply is connected out to the POW with this one, but it's also connected to the bus in here. It's a mess in here, but here we have the bus. So we just add the bus there. And so now when I connect this one here, you will see this swing with me I'm working on over there, turning on. So there, and now it's up and running, We have power in there. Also, there's one that's got power there. And now we want power in here as well. So luckily I have one of these cables. So we just take this one, connect there, and when we connect that up here, you see this row is also lit up, and we now have power in the whole system from one power supply there. Should work quite fine. I haven't seen anyone that has gotten hot yet. If that would happen, these are not flimsy cables for having power, but that is the Eurorack standard. But this is what the PDP is for, and when it's like this, it works. I do realize we forgot to check the poles, so there were no shorts. There's no shorts, we know that now. If there were shorts, we would not have had this nice blinking modular right now. So that's it. Take care. Bye.